At dahil malapit na nga flight namin ni Habi going to Singapore and Thailand, naisip ko nga ulit magpakulay ng buhok at ginawa naman akong maladyosa ng SBS Korean Salon. And yes, another hair color means another ganap in life. And as you can see, very visible na nga ang roots sa aking buhok. Ini-enjoy ko talaga ang mga moment na ganito dahil nung empleyado pa ako, talagang hindi ako makapagpakulay ng buhok na gusto ko. And now, I have the freedom to do so. But first, allow me to wear my Barbie lips to look like a Barbie today. By the way, SBS Korean Salon is located at Carino, Sutherland sa taas lang ng 7-Eleven 3rd floor. And actually, I have friends working here, that's Nika and Angel. Si Nika kasama ko sa sayaw before and si Angel kasama ko naman sa photoshoot dati. Anyways, going back, what also brings me here is that I'm really fond of K-drama. And I'm really curious kung paano nila ginagawa yung hairstyle, especially sa mga lalaki. I'm amazed, I'm impressed, they look like Oppa in Pilipinas. So actually guys, okay pa naman ang kulay ng buhok ko but I find it really boring na. Kaya here I am and I can't stop myself to try a new one. And yeah, that's Nika and Angel and syempre konting chikahan. And since naka-bleach na nga yung hair ko, yung roots na lang ang ibababad. And you guys know kung gaano ako nagsastruggle kapag nabibleach ako. Lalo na't dahil I'm into dandruff talaga. I don't know but very sensitive talaga ako from head to toe. To the point na may mahihiyang na sa aking shampoo and conditioner and after ilang months maghahanap na naman ako ng bago ulit. And since pangatlong bleach ko na to, of course, pinaghandaan ko na talaga siya. 2 weeks before my schedule, gumamit ako ng shampoo pang dandruff. And yes, it really helped compared to my first and second experience. Grabe talaga yun. Kasi hindi ko pa naman alam ng mga time na yun, mas masakit para kapag may dandruff. First experience, no idea at all. Second, 1 week lang ang preparation. Ngayon talaga tinodo ko na 2 weeks na. And thanks to my husband for being supportive and for being with me all the time. I know how boring it is to spend many hours in salon waiting for your partner unless may na-availage ang other services at the same time. At since tapos na ako sa pula na naging pink, copper na naging brown, milk tea na hindi nagtaga sinundan itong bago. And by the way guys, after ng pagsasakripisyo ng buhok ko, syempre nagpa-treatment na din ako. And I availed the Omega treatment which includes the massage and head spa dyan mismo sa VIP lounge. Yes, you heard it right. It is actually my first time seeing a separate area for VIPs. And heto ako, enjoy na enjoy. Napakalma na yung ulo ko. After here, ay nag-tea break ako at hindi ko maiwasang hindi mag-video kasi ang bango at ang ganda ng banyo nila. Just an FYI guys, I happen to know na hindi pala basta-basta mga client dito kaya pala may mga VIP. Basta mga bigating tao, one example si Kitty Duterte. By the way guys, sa mga may balak magpa-bleach na may same problem sa akin, magpa-blower lang talaga kayo ng malamig. And tada! Finally, we're done! And to do, so we're asking for the hair color. According to Miss Angel, pastel purple kako. But for me, lavender na may pagka-gray ganun. If you'd like to get your hair done same with mine, pwede nyo naman tanongin si Angel pag pumunta kayo dito. By the way guys, just an FYI, price also depends on the stylist. Pwede kang mamili kung junior, pro junior, senior, or yung director na Korean talaga. They also have branch in Manila. And before I forgot, in celebration of the 39th Kadayon Festival here in Davao, they're offering 39% discount and promo runs until August 31 only. Kaya ako na magsasabi sa inyo, don't miss the chance and book your schedule with the experts. And now you have 4 days left to decide. Pinaka nagustuhan ko nga pala dito is that they are very accommodating and may teamwork talaga sila. I'm so happy na na-achieve talaga ni Angel yung kulay na gusto ko. Thanks also to Nika, Ma'am Ira at sa lahat ng mga staffs na tumulong. I really had a great experience and I won't hesitate na bumalik dito buwan-buwan. Syempre, ikaw ba naman na ginawang Barbie na may pagkamaaladyosa? Hindi ka ba magaganahan? By the way guys, they also offer nail gel here ha. And if may mga queries kayo, please do not hesitate to reach them here. And if you have time, you can read the reviews in the page for your perusal. And if may peg kayo, way better kasi alam ko makukuha nila yan with their expertise. And I'm so obsessed with my hair, really. Damang-dama ko yung appreciation sa lahat ng mga nag-comment sa picture ko. Also guys, marami ka ding mga bagay na malalaman dito on how to take good care of your hair. And before finally leaving, kailangan naka-Barbie lips pa rin tayo. At bago tayo magtapos, huwag niyo kalimutan ng 39% na promo. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Adios!